Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my fischertechnik model of a mobile robot, and it is Mirft2, my walking robot. As you can see, it is moving in the way that the legs are active. It's not moving because it's on a scaffold, and right now it is also not driven by my software but by the ROBOPro interface test on speed 6, and I experienced quite a few problems setting the experiment up because I could not log in for some reason, not via IP4, not via IP6, and Wi-Fi is unavailable on this controller. It has come dysfunctional, and when I changed from the community firmware to the official firmware, it immediately signaled that it could be upgraded. So I did that, because using the community firmware ROBOPro did nothing, gave an error, and now at least it does work. But the question is, if I now go back to the community firmware, what I want, can I make ROBOPro do the same, and can I use the terminal to log in? So in order to test that, I will have to reset the whole thing, see if I can get a connection to the USB and go further from that. So let's see how that works out. This is a little bit off, and the reason that it is a little bit off is the connection. So as you know, I make a shorts video, 16 seconds, which is most viewed of all, and audience shows that, of the number of views, shows that an object that moves is most preferred. But I could not get it moving, and right now it asks for a password which has never changed, but it says there's no way to give your password, or it doesn't accept it anyway. So, like I said, I used ROBOPro on the original firmware, and then I could use it. Now it says error, so there's no way I can test. I can go back to the original firmware and then run the test, but it should do it now as well. So that's a problem. And when I now give the password again, it says no such thing. Another thing is, by the way, that I upgraded my operating system, which is for Linux, from version 43 to 44, and I found out now that in order to use SSH, I have to actively start the SSH daemon. So prior to noticing that, I got the message no route to the SSH port, which I found very remarkable, until I then thought, okay, let me start the daemon, and then it said, yeah, I can reach it, but you have to use a password, which, by the way, is also kind of odd, because this one never asked for password before. But then all things have changed, and, well, leaving me with a problem, a massive problem with this. How to solve it? I'm not quite sure yet, if I can. So how to go on? Can I do something with my own software? No, I cannot. Although, can I get into, okay, system, yeah, the system, and then what does display do? Nothing. Okay, display calibrate. Okay, no, I don't need that. And okay, back to the graphical user interface. And files. It has ROBOPro files. It has C program files, Scratch files. ROBOPro is empty. C files, okay. Empty. Scratch also empty, obviously. Does it have any more? No. So I cannot even get my own Python files and start them. So that is very annoying. Question is how to go on now. And this is it for now. Apart from some brain farts that I had to, in this video segment that I had to redo because of some audio problems. It's nice to see someone talking, but if there is no audio, then lip reading is not everyone's favorite. Then suddenly grinding, which it's not pleasant to hear, so I stopped the program. Network address issues, which were solved. Firmware upgrade, that is fine. Whatever I did next, you have to watch the whole video, and if you are a subscriber or patron or a coffee member or buy me coffee, then you can certainly watch it. You can also buy it separately via coffee shop or patron. And this is going to be continued because I noticed something in the end that does work via the ROBOPro test, but doesn't seem to work, although it's in the code, not via Python. So I hope to see you in the next video for this model. Meantime, once again, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. Leave a comment or suggestion, much appreciated. Your donation is, or your support is much appreciated. And please also visit my website for my other projects. Everything is under the video in the description box. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.